Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It is Spanky, and I am going to do a quick tutorial showing you how to upload a video to YouTube and scheduling it. There are several videos out there, but I was asked from several people to please show them how to do so. I'm going to slow down the process, so hopefully you can follow along. My throat's a little sore, so hopefully I can get through this video without losing my voice. So, first thing first, you go to your YouTube channel. So I already have mine pulled up here. Excuse me. And you could see my mouse here rolling around. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is go to Upload Video. And then you are here on your select a file to upload. And then you can make it public. Is what you're going to do is you're going to click on this public and you're going to move it to where it says scheduled. So that will now say scheduled. So then you're going to choose a video to upload. We're just going to pick this one. Alright, so next on the right hand side here you will see it has scheduled. You'll click on the date and you choose whatever date you want. So mine's July 3rd, which is just a random date. And then next box is your time. So you could choose whatever time you want. So we chose 3:30 p.m. Underneath that is your local time, which means whatever time zone you are, that's what it will publish on. And if you'd like to add it to a playlist. Once it's done processing, I picked a short video, so once it's done processing, on the right hand side here, you'll see it says publish on Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019. That's when it will publish. So I'm going to click that, and now it's processing, it's done. And it says my video will be published on Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019. And it will publish on the time that I set it. You can return to your editing. So again, that's at 3:30. And let's see, we can change the date here. We'll do it to July 1st. So now up here, if you look, it changed the date to July 1st. So that's how you schedule your videos. I have never had a problem with mine scheduled on the specific date and time. It's always worked for me. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.